Humans evolved 200,000 years ago and have been harmless to the Earth almost the entire time. But with the Industrial Revolution a couple hundred years ago, things changed drastically. More food, more cars, more McDonald's, more factories, and definitely more people. There are 7 billion people right now, and there is lots and lots of greenhouse gases such as methane and CO2. Climate change is a natural process, and our Earth is currently in an interglacial phase, warming slowly. But just recently, these shifts in climate, previously slow, have begun to speed up. And not just a little.
In warming periods, for example, the warmer areas around the equator expand, and as they do, the rainforests stretch north and south.
In the past, temperature has changed sometimes slowly and sometimes quickly. But now, temperature is changing 70 times faster than ever before.
And now, animals don't have enough time to migrate, and when they do, they run into obstacles like cities and highways and polluted areas. If we don't change our way of living soon, there will be another mass extinction.
Scientists estimate that if the climate becomes just 2 degrees warmer, we could reach a tipping point after which interrelated climate factors could cause global warming to spin out of control. This would mean mass migrations, mass starvation, and mass extinction. Last year alone, 300,000 people died because of droughts and massive storms caused by climate change, and none were at fault. The Copenhagen Climate Conference was a chance to prevent this, but it didn't succeed as hoped. The ecological footprint we're leaving is exceeded the Earth's capacity. To keep our world from reaching the tipping point, we must cut our average carbon footprint to about 1 ton a year, the amount shown in this huge balloon. The average Austrian now produces 11, but we can and must change. Cars, for example, emit about 140 grams of CO2 every kilometer, so use public transportation or just walk or ride a bike instead. The TV or DVD player uses up to 74.2 grams a day. Just turn them off completely.
A 3-minute hot shower, nearly 3,000.
3 minutes with the hairdryer means 47.7 grams.
Transporting food produces a huge amount of CO2, so instead of buying out of season vegetables from far away, buy seasonal, local, organic food. Every fruit, every vegetable, everything counts. In 2006, we consumed about $30 trillion worth of goods and services. Some European countries have more cell phones than people. The average European gets a new one every 15 months. Do you really need all those gadgets? What's wrong with your old laptop? Just use your old phone. If humanity wants to thrive long into the future, we'll need to actively transform our cultures away from consumerism. We cannot wait for politicians to solve our problems. We're gonna need to solve them ourselves.